Hi, my name is Miko Grande from BSHM 1B, and this is my explanation of what compassion is. Compassion is a multifaceted and deeply rooted human emotions that involves recognizing the suffering of others and feeling motivated to elevate it. It is often described as an empathetic concern that goes beyond merely understanding or feeling another person's pain. It compels individuals to take action to help those in need. And its core, compassion starts with empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. When you see someone struggling or in pain, empathy allows you to connect with their experience on an emotional level. However, compassion goes a step further by prompting you to not just feel the person, but to actively want to ease their suffering. This is what differentiates compassion from other related emotions, like sympathy or pity. While sympathy involves feelings sorry for someone, and pity often carries a sense of condescension, compassion is characterized by a genuine and selfless desire to help. Compassion can manifest in various ways, from small acts of kindness like listening to a friend in distress to larger efforts such as volunteering for humanitarian causes. What is essential in all this expression of compassion is under the underlying motivation a sincere wish to improve someone else's situation. This motivation often leads to compassionate action, which can be as simple as offering a kind word or as complex as dedicating one's life to social service. Interestingly, compassion is not only beneficial for those who receive it, but also for those who practice it. Studies in psychology and neuroscience suggests that engaging in compassionate acts can lead to improved emotional well-being, reduce stress, and even better physical health. This is partly because compassion activates areas of the brain associated with reward and positive feelings, creating a sense of connection and purpose. Compassion is also a fundamental element in many moral, ethical, and religious teaching. For example, in Buddhism, compassion, often referred to as karuna, is considered one of the highest virtues and a path to enlightenment. Similarly, in Christianity, compassion is a central theme, exemplified in the teaching of Jesus, who emphasized love and kindness towards others, especially the marginalized and suffering. In many cultures, compassion is seen as virtue that enhances social harmony and cohesion, as it encourages people to look beyond their self-interest and care for the well-being of others. Despite its many benefits, practicing compassion is not always easy. It requires a certain level of emotional resilience and the ability to remain open and vulnerable. In some cases, individuals may experience compassion fatigue, particularly those in caregiving profession, where the constant exposure to suffering can lead to emotional exhaustion. However, developing self-compassion, treating oneself with the same kindness and understanding one would offer to others can help mitigate this fatigue and sustain compassionate action over the long term. In conclusion, compassion is powerful and essential human quality that fosters empathy, motivates altruistic behavior, and contributes to the well-being of both individuals and society as a whole. By cultivating compassion in our daily lives, we can create a more connected and caring world where people support each other through both the joys and challenges of life. Thank you.